KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've had a couple of very nice days, especially the morning hours with this nice dry air in place. Ridge of high pressure dominating. You can see the brown here. That's super dry air that's taken over our area. We get another couple of nice dry days, but by the weekend, some of this moisture will start creeping northward as this high pressure ridge begins to shift off to the east, but it's only going to be just a little taste of that Gulf moisture. Looks like another surge of high pressure coming in as we go into next week. So mostly a dry 10-day forecast, but it does come with summer type temperatures. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, locally not a whole lot going on. We see mostly an east-northeasterly flow, generally fair skies across the region, and we open it on up. We do see some scattered showers out in the Gulf of Mexico. It's been a little bit busier off the coast of Florida and the coastal portions of the Carolinas. Back down in the Pacific, looks like another area trying to get going. Meanwhile, the news of the day in the tropics, we have a tropical depression to talk about. This one right here. Got another tropical wave coming off the African coast in the next day or so. We're going to keep an eye on that. Models picking up on something there as well. But this system, if you look closely, this was upgraded to tropical depression number 7 earlier today. Now it's tropical storm Fiona, but look at the wind particles. The center of circulation is west of the main convection, so that's telling us there's wind shear going on out of the west-southwest. So this is going to have a little bit of a limited future, at least intensity-wise, but 50-mile-per-hour winds right now. It's moving to the west-northwest at 16. Portions of the Leeward Islands have tropical storm watches that have been hoisted with the latest advisory. And the National Hurricane Center, because of the shear and an unfavorable environment, some dry air around this, not really intensifying this much more than a 60-mile-per-hour storm. It could interact with Puerto Rico come Saturday, and then Dominican Republic, perhaps Haiti, as we get into Sunday, Monday, Bahamas. Thereafter, it does look like it wants to take a turn. So here's the latest Euro model showing the impacts across portions of the Caribbean islands through this weekend into early next week, and then perhaps a little bit of a turn going off to the north and then intensifying this system. But look what happens. Ridge of high pressure coming in off the northeast. That's going to block this system from going north, could push it off to the east, but it could also force it to the west. And oh, by the way, notice the Euro's picking up on something down here south of Hispaniola down the road. Here's the latest 18Z GFS model, kind of showing much the same, with the system impacting the Caribbean and then working its way northward, but there's that ridge of high pressure, so this could have some sort of impact in the U.S. East Coast, Northeast, New England, but it does not look like the Gulf of Mexico, and that is the good news for right now, at least for us. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies. We'll notice the convection offshore. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, a high near 90. Tomorrow night, not quite as cool. We'll favor temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in spots, low to mid 60s to the north. And then Friday, pushing 91 for a high. Still shower activity staying offshore at this point. Eventually, though, maybe one or two working their way inland as we head into the weekend. But tonight, enjoy tomorrow morning as well. Upper 50s to lower 60s. Northern portions of Acadiana will go 63, 64 in Lafayette. Lower 60s I-10 corridor, and low to mid 60s as we get into the coastal parishes. Cameron, as always, a little bit warmer. And then after that cool start, pushing the upper 80s tomorrow. At least that feels like heat index won't be much higher thanks to the relatively dry air still in place. So 63 is the low we'll go with tonight. That waning harvest moon out there very late at night. If you want to look at something cool, Jupiter straight up right around midnight. It's one of the brighter planets in the sky for sure, and it's also the closest to Earth in about 70 years. Tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90. Another nice day, comfortable humidity, but warming up. And as we said, well, our fall preview fades, and it's back to a summer rerun as we head into the weekend. A few showers this weekend, and next week, look at this. The models are going for mid-90s, and we'll buy that right now as we get into next week. So summer will still be around this time next week, and maybe this time 2 weeks from now, but there'll be other fronts coming, just not right now.
Well, we appreciate the break and the sunshine, so thank you very much.
Well, it lasted, I guess.
Exactly.
Thanks, Rob. Still